Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Your mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Sandy dedi kan we share your video. Remember rain if you subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. You want me notification bell. Say the video be 2 hours abeka. And if it's not a chicken light soup. Until you start it. To where then your fresh chicken no. Into where spices no. Cloves, there were rosemary, nkete, there were jene, there were mako and toast, garlic, ginger. To be in a baby blender, muna eden, wouldn't swear the akahu. Not fair the wako blend, yamana eden, afe. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Into the description box now, ingredients in a baby. Now we share go chicken so. Now they have teaspoon salt the akahu. Now the chicken seasons where the akahu. Now the sugar cow who blended where the we share go. We are not for the one room in the moon. When we are now the fresh onion and tomatoes, to work at us, the estima. It will hand web yes, no, the one room. I'm spices in the apple. Please, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the notification bell to get new video we post. To be in toast near then work on blending. Brandy, we are not doing it. What be share the egg? A 2 tomato paste, I bet in the account. Now you swear the account. It is so do draw now pen I then will be used to. When you need them, 2 no movie na the wakatas, the Sony and also a better and Sony be the account. Wakatas the amana the evu. Tanubelo a jano, a 1 wash and nothing the one no cra. And son away the what was into a jane and no baby and walk of brandy. O brandy we are not be share de egum na no so e de wanu no we jama na siswe de amen wa ato ne boy de abin senani de di kan a wo hwe ye video a mema rain fi subscribe na wa share na wa like no me notification bell say the video be 2 hours abeka to be reduce eja na no ato ne boy de abin into e de en kwan na ka kra bi na e de abin. Remember to click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Siam kwana eden abia wie ne wa eden wadum gya na fe de wa ye de wa kosebe ti unya fufuo bia betimi de eden e de aka ho. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the notification bell to get new video we post. Now this our chicken light soup. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.